Have you ever wished you could drink something delicious, refreshing, and at the same time burn fat fast without starving yourself or doing endless cardio? Well, this is exactly what you're about to discover in today's video. This is not your average smoothie. This is a fat-burning, plant-based tropical weapon designed to fire up your metabolism, shrink belly fat, and energize your body, all in under 3 minutes a day. So if you're serious about transforming your health and dropping those stubborn pounds without extreme dieting, keep watching because this mango and pineapple plant-based smoothie might just become your new secret weapon. Let's talk about what makes this smoothie so powerful. First, mango. This tropical fruit is more than just a summer favorite. Mango is rich in enzymes like amylase that help break down complex carbs into simple sugars, aiding digestion and speeding up your metabolism. It's also packed with vitamin C and beta-carotene, which fight inflammation, a silent killer when it comes to weight gain. Second, pineapple. If you've ever wanted a food that melts fat and also tastes like a vacation, this is it. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps reduce bloating, improve digestion, and target abdominal fat. It's also naturally sweet, so there's no need to add sugar or processed junk. Third, ginger. Yes, just a small slice of fresh ginger in your smoothie can increase thermogenesis, that's your body's fat-burning heat production. It boosts circulation, regulates blood sugar, and adds a subtle kick that balances the sweetness. Then we have chia seeds, the fiber and omega-3 rich seeds that swell up in liquid and keep you full for hours, while also helping to flush toxins from your system. Combine all that with plant-based almond milk, a touch of lime, and some ice, and you've got a super refreshing, fat-melting elixir that tastes like a tropical dream. But here's the real kicker. This smoothie isn't just for losing fat, it's a gateway habit. Once you start replacing your sugary breakfast or heavy snacks with this smoothie, you're changing the way your body responds to food. You'll notice more energy in the morning, reduced bloating by midday, cravings disappearing, and that stubborn fat, it slowly starts to melt away. Thousands of people are now switching to plant-based smoothies like this one to fuel their mornings because they work, they're quick, they're clean, and they taste amazing. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. So, are you ready to try it? Let's dive into the recipe that can change the way your day and your body starts. Plant-based mango and pineapple fat-burning smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango chunks, 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 inch fresh ginger, peeled 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or plant milk of your choice, juice of 1/2 lime, handful of ice optional. Instructions: add all ingredients into a blender. Blend on high until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Start drinking this smoothie first thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach, for best results. It's low in calories, but super high in fat-burning nutrients that get your metabolism going before you even leave the house. If you want more fat-burning smoothie recipes, more plant-based hacks, and more natural weight loss solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and join our health revolution. Because here, it's not about diet culture, it's about real food, real results, and making healthy feel effortless.